everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to make egg white frittata and egg white omelette with greens for your healthy breakfast.
I have here 4 egg whites, cherry tomatoes, mushrooms, spinach, cream cheese, smoked salmon and salt, pepper. I start whisking egg white by using my whisk till it gets meringue consistency. My oven is ready with 165 temperature. My pan is hot and I added some olive oil and I add mushrooms and I'm cooking like 2 minutes till mushroom is cooked properly. Then I add my cherry tomatoes, not all, half of what I prepared, and spinach, some of the spinach which I prepared early. Then I am adding my whipped egg whites. I have whipped this egg white like 4 minutes till it gets really thick, means like meringue consistency. I will garnish my Italian egg frittata beautifully like you can see in the picture. My oven is ready with 165 temperature. So once I prepared beautifully my egg frittata, so I will cook it in the oven for about 13 to 15 minutes. You also can garnish it like this, like how I organize it nicely. It's done. Now it's in the oven. It's for about like 13 to 15 minutes. Then we take it out straight to the plate. Now I am going to show you how to make our egg white green omelette. So I have 3 eggs, spinach, kale, lettuce, salt, pepper. I am going to blend all the ingredients in my blender, which is 2 egg white with 1 whole egg, kale, lettuce, spinach, salt, pepper. So my pan is hot. Then I am adding some olive oil. Then my mixture I am pouring into the pan. As you can see in the picture, I have blended it really smooth. Then I am pouring it into the pan. Pan is medium hot. Then you can cook how I am cooking on the pan to get nice shape and looks will be really nice. So you can cook it with a medium heat. So you need to practice what I am doing right now to do. So but first time when you're making it, it won't be like how I have made it here, but you can try it. Even the shape doesn't matter if you get a omelette like how you want to have it for your healthy breakfast. You can see I am almost done. And on the side I am boiling some sweet potato to serve with this omelette with some seasoned cherry tomatoes or some salads. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.